Hello dear friends, welcome to Kesaria Textile Company. Guys, in this video I'm going to showcasing you some of the upcoming and some of the newly arrived concepts in the print section. So guys, watch the video from start to till the end. Many of your queries will be cleared or countered in this video. So watch the video, don't skip. In this variety, it either gonna be marble or gonna be crepe. Some of these kind of very beautiful concepts also we will manufacture here only, and I'm gonna open you for you only these kind of concepts. See, you can see whole the shiny work. And talking about the fabric, you will be getting these kind of very smooth turkey silk kind of concepts you will be get in the fabric. Talking about the length, you will be get 6.30 meter length, approx with unstitched blouse also you will be get. Next concepts we are talking about, this concept will be the rainial. In this rainial concepts, many of the variety, if you are starting or interested to start a low budget business, then this one of the best options in the saree, that it will be the print. See, in these kind of very beautiful concepts are well made here with unstitched blouse also you will be get. Length approx I am gonna say, and let me remind you guys, don't purchase single pieces, you have to purchase in a set wise. Like this kind of bunch you will be get. On this bunch the pieces will be 4, 175 range will be, and rainial fabric, and 4 pieces you will be get. Single pieces enquiry will not allowed. Please don't make the single piece enquiry. I'm just gonna be apology for that. And these kind of very beautiful concepts I'm taking randomly, guys, not showing or not preparing any from in front of you. I'm just taking all the beautiful saree according to your taste. See, then also you are welcomed here. Please know me in our call the screen available number. They will give you beautiful images with the in the form of PDF with particular rate also in these kind of very beautiful concepts. And apart from that, if you are interested to come, then also please most welcome. And if you are not able to come, then also we can provide you video call facility also. Like we are opening in this video, the same exact concept will be applied in the video call facility. Whatever the product will be shown in this video calling, the same exact product will be delivered at your own doorstep. So next concepts, talking about these kind of weightless concepts. Talking about the weightless, there will be not any these kind of particular border or lace concepts will be not there. These kind of concepts will be named weightless, rainial, these kind of variety we will be say. See, extraordinary concepts, guys. We have 4 to 5 different sections just for the print only. So guys, no need to worry that some of your taste samples will not be shown in this video. Don't take the worry, just call the screen available number, or just you can visit our previous videos in all the channels. See, these kind of very beautifully digitally flowery work you will be get. Apart from that, these kind of unstitched blouse also you will be get according to and contrasting to whole body designs of these kind of sarees. Talking about the ranges, 245 per pieces you will be get. Heavy turkey silk crepe according to 8 pieces you will be getting these kind of concepts. So guys, next items I'm gonna showcasing you. If you wanna be interested in the crystal silk concepts, then also we are welcomed here in these kind of crystal silk concepts. See, I'm not openly because it's one of the beautiful concepts. See, in the crystal silk, 4 pieces you will be get with different color shades. So guys, I think you enjoyed this video. If any of your taste preferences will be missed, then know me in our comment sections. Please give your precious opinion, reviews or feedbacks in our comment section. Till there, see you in the next video. Take care, goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Please do subscribe it. Thank you.
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया, सही दाम का नाम।